1. What is the correct past tense of the verb to swim? Correct answer is B. Swam. 2. Which of the following is a coordinating conjunction? Correct answer is C. And. 3. Which word is a pronoun in the sentence, "She loves chocolate"? Correct answer is B. She. 4. What is the superlative form of the adjective good? Correct answer is C. Goodest. 5. Identify the adverb in the sentence, "He ran quickly to catch the bus." Correct answer is D. Quickly. 6. What is the plural form of the noun child? Correct answer is B. Children. 7. Which sentence is written in the passive voice? Correct answer is C. The cake was baked by Mary. 8. What is the comparative form of the adverb quickly? Correct answer is D. Quicker. 9. Choose the correct possessive pronoun. That book is. Correct answer is B. Mine. 10. Identify the preposition in the sentence, "The cat jumped over the wall." Correct answer is D. Over. 11. What is the past participle of the verb to eat? Correct answer is C. Eaten. 12. Which word is a conjunction in the sentence, "I'll go if you go"? Correct answer is C. If. 13. Select the correct plural form of tomato. Correct answer is B. Tomatoes. 14. What is the antonym of the word beautiful? Correct answer is C. Ugly. 15. Which of the following is a correlative conjunction? Correct answer is B. Either, or.